Alright, the key fob on my 2016 Fiat 500e needs to have the battery replaced. When we go to lock and unlock the door, you push twice to unlock both doors, and it's only doing one door, and you have to push really slow to make it work. So this is the original battery from 2016. It's 7 years old. It's probably time to replace it. In order to replace it, push the little button to pop the key out. Inside here there's a little screw, and if you look, the screw there shows there's a slot for a flat blade screwdriver, and it shows a lock position and an unlock. You're going to turn it to unlock, and then you just pry up right here. After you pry it up, when you look here, there's a little battery holder. You can see that the positive is on this side, and it has a plus for positive. Hold it right here so you can see it. There you go. So, take the new battery. Take the old battery out. Put the new one in with the same orientation. Then you'll put the battery holder back in. Push it down till it clicks. Turn the little screw back to the lock position. There you go. And now it's done. It's back in place. Remember, it is the CR2032 battery is what you need, and pretty quick and easy. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.